need to be recorded. Okay, first question. First question of today's class, question number 1. Mirror image of the point in y axis option A 9,8, option B 9,8, option C minus 9,8, option D minus 8 minus 9. Okay, so your question is mirror image of the point minus 8,9 in the y axis minus 9, minus 8 minus 9,8 minus 9,8 and minus 8,9. Quickly answer. Mirror image of the point minus 8,9 in y axis, option A minus 9, minus 8 9,8 minus 9,8 minus 8 9. Quickly answer. Option A, Ridita. Check it. Check it for. It is y axis. Anyone else? Suhit is present. That Onnesa, Prottoy, Raima, Raj, Ritam, Sohelika, Spriha, Subham, Sostika, Trisha, Uttam, Vivek, your answer? In this day, last 2 or 3 days, I am observing that Vivek is remain silent. Why, Vivek? Soilika 9,8. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, Vivek, quickly, beta. Within few seconds, Riddhita have answer. Oh, that is the problem. Okay. So option C, maximum of you have answered. That is option B or 9,8. Okay, look at the board and then you will decide who are right and who are wrong. Okay. First of all, that point minus 8,9 is lying in which quadrant? Tell me first. Minus 8,9 lying which point? Which quadrant? Which quadrant that point is lying? 2. So minus 8,9 okay, minus 8,9 that is here. Okay, minus 8 and 9 that is second quadrant. Okay, now it is the axis and that image will form at here. And tell me what is the quadrant of that point? If I replace a mirror here, image will form at here. And it is the first quadrant. And in the first quadrant, all the numbers are, all the quadrant are positive. So right answer, if it is minus 8 comma 9, minus 8 comma 9, answer will be 8 comma 9. Those who have answered 8 comma 9, they are right. Okay, they are right. 8 comma actually I have just that is minus 9 comma 9 options are written here, so just change it. Minus 9 comma minus 8. Okay, minus 9 comma, then answer will be changed, then answer will be changed, so little bit mistake in questions also. Okay, just I am solving, just I am if it is given, okay, it's little bit mistake in the question. If it is given that first minus 8 comma 9, minus 8 comma 9, if it is given minus 8 comma 9, correct option, correct answer will be 8 comma 9. Okay, 8 comma 9. If not, 8 will not change into 9, beta. Riddhita, that first x-axis it is given 8, so it will not change. This is one type of writing mistake from me. Okay, so it will be 8 comma 9. Now just I am change the option and also the point. It is given, it is point that is given 9 comma minus 8. Now answer 9 comma minus 8. Now answer it quickly. Okay, 9 comma minus 8, answer it now. Okay, Uttam answer minus 8, minus 9 comma minus 8. Ritam answer minus 9 comma minus 8. Okay, Riddhita answer 9 comma 8. 9 comma 8. Okay, anyone else? Quickly, Sneha, quickly. Okay, first of all, 9 comma minus 8 in which quadrant? 9 comma minus 8 in which quadrant? Tell me first. 9 comma minus 8. It is fourth quadrant. It is in fourth quadrant, that is. Now if I put a mirror here, its image will form here. It is the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, both are negative. In the third quadrant, both are negative. So correct option will be minus 9, minus 8. Okay, it is clear? It is clear? It is in fourth quadrant. 9 comma minus 8, its image will be here because at the y-axis mirror is taken. So image will be here, and in this quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. Both the coordinates are negative. So that 9 and 9 here I change the sign of 9 and 8 just opposite. Minus 8, plus 9, minus 9. Clear it is, Riddhita. You are doing wrong. Just you have to identify in which quadrant the point is lying. According to that, you have to answer. Clear it is? Okay, I hope it is clear. Next question, question number 1. Next question. Okay, which options are correct? Which options are correct? If x plus 2 comma 4 equal to 5 comma y minus 2, then x square plus y square equal to 7, x square plus y square 90 by 2, x square plus y square equal to 135 by 4, and x square plus y square equal to 46. Which option is correct? Which option is correct? Quickly answer. It is 4 or 9. Which one, beta? Nidita? X square plus y square 46 it is given. X square plus y square equal to 46 is given. Forty-six is given. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Those who are present, who quickly, only 2 or 1. And remaining students, sir, Sohelika, Annesa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ritom, option D. Okay, it is 46 answer. Ritom answer 46. In class 9, I have discussed more than 5 questions. And here it is only 2. Option B. Who answer? Riddhita. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Ritika, Soilika, Spriha, Subham, Swastika, Trisha. Answer. Try to answer. Try to answer. Riddhita, check your answer. Option D, okay, 46, okay. D, Soilika also, D, Ritika, okay. Okay, quickly, I will give you 1 minute more. After that, I will start discussing. Not 1 minute, 30 seconds, okay. It started 18:35. Option D, Sneha. Okay. D, okay, Onnesa. Onnesa and Subham. Quickly answer. Okay. Now I am discussing the question. It is already over 30 seconds. Subham is typing. Subham, quickly, Subham. Just write down the option A, B or C. D, yes. That for writing D, hardly 2 seconds you will need. Okay, x plus 2 equal to 5. It means x equal to 3. And for y minus 2 equal to 4. So y equal to 4 plus 2 that is 6. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 6. So x square plus y square, that is 39. 3 square 9 and 36. 36 and 9, that is 45. X square plus y square equal to 45, but it is written 46. That's why it is wrong. And 90 by 2 means 45. So only correct answer given by Riddhita Paja. Okay, just check it. That is 90. X square plus y square 45, but it is given 46. It is not the correct answer. So that's why it is 90 by 2. 90 by 2, that is 40. 90 by 2 means also 45. Got it, everyone? Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3. Abscissa of all point. Okay. PT means point. Abscissa of any point on y-axis is 1, any number, 0 and none of this. What will be the correct answer? Abscissa of any point on y-axis 1, any number, 0 and none of this. Which option is correct? Option C. Option C is correct. Yes, abscissa of any point on y-axis, that is option C is the correct. Abscissa means x coordinate or y coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate or y coordinate. That is x coordinate. Okay. Yes. So today students already time is over. Okay. Next class I have. So next day I have discussed more questions. Only 3 questions I have discussed in your class. Next day I will discuss the more question of MCQ. Okay, MCQ type question. Okay, and now it is